Hey friend! If you're wondering why everyone keeps telling you to enjoy every moment with your newborn, while you're sitting there sleep deprived, leaking from places you didn't know could leak,
And Googling, is this much crying normal at 3 in the morning?
you are not falling apart. The newborn stage is beautiful, but it can be absolutely brutal. And today, I'm breaking down exactly why it feels so overwhelming and sharing what you can do to actually enjoy this time without losing yourself in the process. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll feel more empowered, more prepared, and way less alone. First, let's talk about why it feels so hard. Reason number one, you're physically healing from birth. Whether you had a vaginal delivery or a C-section, your body just completed a marathon, no recovery window. And yet somehow, society expects you to bounce back overnight. Well, newsflash, healing is not linear. You're not just tired from inside out. It's okay to move slowly. You're physically rebuilding. Reason number two, your hormones are absolutely wild. In the first few weeks postpartum, your estrogen and progesterone crash fast. It's like emotional whiplash. 1 minute, you're staring at your baby like they're the most magical thing on earth, and then the next minute, you're crying because you spilled your water. It's not weakness.
It's physiology.
Give yourself some grace. Reason number three, you're learning a brand new human. Babies don't come with manuals or even a settings button. Every cry feels urgent. Every feeding feels confusing. And you're expected to be fluent in a whole new language called newbornese. All the while, sleep deprived and second guessing every decision that you make. Well, it's no wonder you feel overwhelmed. Honestly, if we treated new moms the way that we treat new employees, we will schedule an onboarding day, hand you a binder, give you a minimum of 2 weeks training period, and let you ask unlimited questions. But no, motherhood throws you into the deep and with nothing but a swaddle and a stack of discharge papers. Think about that for a moment. Motherhood is one of the biggest transformations in your life, yet there is not enough orientation so you can get really good at it. So, if you're feeling like, am I doing this right? You're already doing better than what you think. So let's dig deeper. How can you actually start enjoying the newborn stage? Step one, lower the bar. You don't have to cherish every moment. You just have to be present for the moment that matters and survive the ones that don't. If all you did today was keep your baby fed, safe, and loved, that's definitely a win. Step number two, accept and expect the mess. You will cry. You will question yourself. You will wear pajamas for days and drink cold coffee for breakfast. That doesn't mean you're failing. That means that you're a mom. Step number three, find small anchors, tiny rituals like a 5-minute morning stretch, a walk outside, or lighting a candle at bedtime. These can keep you tethered to you. It's not selfish, it's essential. Friend, the newborn stage is hard because it's supposed to be hard. You're doing the most important work of your life at a time when you feel you're most vulnerable. It's not about doing it perfectly. It's about getting the support you deserve and making space for joy even in the messy middle. And if you want even more real-world strategies to actually enjoy life with your newborn without losing yourself between Zoom calls and diaper changes, I'd love to invite you to my free live class. It's happening on May 14 at 12 noon Eastern Time. I'll be diving even deeper into real strategies that work, not just the fluffy sleep when your baby's sleeping stuff. If you're ready to feel calm, confident, and even, dare I say, happy during the newborn stage, click the link below, save your spot, and let's walk through this time together. Don't worry if you can't make it live. If you register, you'll automatically get the full replay sent straight to you. You are stronger than you think, and you were never meant to do this alone. Go right ahead and register. Again, the link is in the description below. See you there!